Yeah.
Do you sneeze when you photocopy things?
No, is it blurring? I've got a non-blurry one for you. Alright, problem solving is notoriously difficult because it drags in a whole bunch of different areas of maths, and every problem is slightly different. So I can't teach you how to do them, all of them. It's a matter of learning some good ideas and then doing a lot of practice around it. What I've done is, for this section coming up, I've made a video answer, which basically means I've talked into a camera for about an hour answering most of the questions, because lots of people got plenty of stuff on them. However, there are some things that I think you can do to help. When I wrote this, I think last year or year before, bay was a big thing. Everyone was talking about their bay.
What?
I think it was like 2016.
Yeah, what's a bay again?
Yeah.
Bay means...
Like lover.
Yeah, bay was that, and I appropriated it for before anything else. So, before anything else when it comes to solving these problems, if there isn't a diagram, draw one. If you need to find your variables, that's your let x be sentence. If they've asked you to find something, let x be that something. So if they've asked you how many apples Bob has, let x be the number of apples. If you also define y, then write it in terms of x as soon as you can. Prepare to use other areas of maths. So this is where we start pulling in exponents, fractions, Pythag, measurement, etc. We start pulling in lots of different areas of maths to help us solve these. And today I'd just like to do one problem before letting you guys have a shot at them. A park swimming pool is 10 metres wide by 25 metres long. A pool cover is purchased to cover the pool, overlapping all four sides by the same width. If the covered area outside the pool is 74 metres squared, how wide is the overlap? Right, so before anything else, draw a picture of what is happening. You've got a pool, and it doesn't have to be a glorious picture, but this is your pool. It is 10 metres by 25. A pool cover is purchased overlapping all four sides by the same width. So we have a pool cover. It's a great cover. If the covered area outside the pool, the covered area outside the pool is this. Yeah, we're sort of happy with that? The covered area outside the pool is 74 metres squared. Given it's 74 metres squared, how wide is the overlap? This is the key to defining your x. Whatever it asks, let that be your x. So when it says, how wide is the overlap? Great, this is your x. That's the overlap, that's x. Now, any ideas where we're going from here?
10 times 25.
No, you can
No.
write out as
10 plus 2x.
I would say the cover
Hang on, 10
minus
plus
the pool area is 74. Because that's the whole cover, take away the pool is equal to that 74.
So then you can represent it as like 2x plus 25.
Oh, wait.
Good.
Bracket 2x plus 10 equal
I got it.
320.
Oh, I see what you're doing, yes.
But then you can like then switch it to like then expand it.
Yeah. So then we turn it into an algebraic problem and life is much easier. As soon as you get the equation in these, most of them are pretty good. So I would be expanding and simplifying, putting everything on one side, 0 on the other. So I would be thinking 4x squared plus 20x plus 50x plus 250 minus 250, oh that was nice, equals 74. Am I still on the right track? So then I would say this is 4x squared plus 70x minus 74 equals 0. Now, we've got options. Our options are complete the square, which we never really want to do, factorize, or quadratic formula. What do you guys want to do? Factorize or quadratic formula?
Quadratic formula.
Alright, well, you guys said quadratic formula. Alright, x equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared take 4ac over 2a. subbing in x equals minus 70 plus or minus square root of 70 squared, ouch, take 4.4.74. You sure you want a quadratic formula?
You could have just factorized.
Over 8.
It's easier.
Can we go back, please?
It's
Yes.
easier.
So let's pretend we did this, and because we don't have a calculator, we immediately regretted our life decisions and then decided to factorize. If we were to factorize this, you guys can do your method, but I'll do mine. A, C, and B. AC is 4 times 74. Minus 86. No.
Okay.
Minus 286. And B is 70. So I'm looking for things that multiply to negative 286 and add to 70. Well, there's certainly 2 and 143. What else is there? I reckon I can divide that one by
13.
11 and 13.
11 and 13.
Yeah.
So then this can be, so that's like 2, 11 and 13, which is like 22 and 13, or 130, or 26 and 11. Neither of them are hitting my 70 though. Is it factorizable?
Can we just do the quadratic comparison and just
The
do
way
a
that
calculator?
I got it, I
By the way, it says overlapping all sides, for all four sides by the same width.
Well, turns out like I made like mistake.
Yeah, we should
Then I just like
and just put it in the calculator. It takes like a
I think it's a correct way of calculating it, and then calculating it.
Yeah.
Well, I want to kill myself.
296.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh yes, right.
Thank you. 296.
Everyone got it wrong.
2 and what is it? 1.
148.
That's better. 4 and 79. It's still not right.
Wait, Mr. Peterborough,
Yes,
got
why
me
is
some
that
decimal number.
overlapping all four sides by the same width?
Yes.
What do you mean?
X next. That's both overlapping by the same bit.
Why don't you try substituting like A for 2x? Like you just showed us how.
A for 2.
You might not have a fun time solving this one. It's 1 negative 18.5.
It definitely is not.
1 positive 1
It's factorized.
and negative 18.5.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's not going to factorize smoothly. Turns out quadratic formula was the best way to go, wasn't it? So our answers are x equals 1 and negative 18.5.
What?
Or negative 37 on 2.
Oh no.
And clearly that can't be a solution because we can't have a negative distance. Our answer is 1. Nice one. Yes.
Yes, nice pressing buttons.
Nice. I press it.
If you visualize it,
It is
Oh, I
factorized.
didn't tell me about
Is
it.
it?
Yeah, if you just press exit.
Yeah, it must be because it's a whole number. It's just not pretty.
It's just
Press how you-
oh, wait. Oh, no, sorry. Yeah.
It just isn't.